Welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to look at the final most common use of timers, which is to measure the time between events. So I'm back here at cortex-m.com. We've written 2 articles on this very topic on the site, so we're going to go through the articles and then we go to UVision to write a code, just like we did for the lesson on counting events using timers. So just type cortex-m.com in your browser, and then when you're on the website, go to lessons. Once that page opens, you can go to working with timers. Should be down here somewhere. Working with timers, and then you can come to measuring time between events. So there's a very short write-up on the topic. Let's see, it's opening. So yeah, there's a summary, and after that there is a very exciting case study. You would love this. So let's just give this introduction here. What does it say? It says, this lesson is a continuation of the previous lesson, counting events. In that lesson, we saw how we can count the occurrence of events by capturing the edges of an input pin. We said the microcontroller can detect the occurrence of an event due to the signal changes that happen at the input pin of the microcontroller. To find the duration of an event, all we have to do is save the timestamp of the rising edge capture in one variable and save the timestamp of the falling edge capture in another variable. And then we subtract the timestamp of the rising edge from the timestamp of the falling edge. Finally, to convert the result to our desired time unit, we have to multiply it by an appropriate value based on the running frequency of our CPU. In our timer configuration, we have to select capture both edges in order to be able to perform this task. Following the same principle, to measure the time between 2 events, we have to save the timestamp of the rising edge capture of event 1, i.e. input 1, and then the timestamp of the rising edge capture of event 2. Find the difference between the 2 timestamps. Then convert the difference to the appropriate time unit. So we go to UVision and then we write the code. So before we go and write the code, there is a perfect use case for this. And this is working with ultrasonic sensors. I don't know whether you've used ultrasonic sensors, but this is how you write drivers for ultrasonic sensors. You have to detect, you have to measure the occurrence between 2 events, and we'll take a look at that, and we would go and write that same driver in our car UVision. So come back to the lessons page and click over here, ultrasonic module. It's under interfacing with sensors. If you click here and then we take a look at it, so yes, you can take a look at it, but I'll just continue this in the next lesson. So see you in the next lesson. Yeah.